Hello, my name is Giancarlos Castillo Caicedo, and today I will be your tour guide. Come and know the sizes. Introduction of the place. Las tallas is a corregimiento o spatia cauc. Duration of the trip. This would have a duration of three days to nights. Means of transports. To get there, we will a car or motorcycles. Activities to do. There are many, but the most outstanding are hiking and swimming in the river. Places to stay. We can rent a house or camp. Typical food. The most outstanding are the chontaduro and the chicken. Cost of the package. The package will cost 1,000,000 pesos for the people, so do not any longer. We are waiting for you here. Thank you.